Listen, never stressing,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna attempt to do a holiday, semi-holiday look. I don't know what you can call it, but I'm gonna call it a holiday look. So I'm gonna be priming my eyes with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. And you already know that's my holy grail to prime my eyes. I'm not going to set the concealer. You already know, I think maximum payoff comes with if you do not set your concealer, but whatever you like to do, it is your choice. I'm gonna be going in with my Blood Sugar palette. I'm gonna be going in with that shade as my transition shade using patting motions. We already know that, you know, you're supposed to pat the shade down and then blend it, since we did not set the concealer. So you don't have to do this technique if you did set your eyeshadow base or concealer. It's just, you know, it's better, because if not, the eyeshadow's not gonna blend well and it's gonna come out patchy. So yes, going in with that white shade from the same Blood Sugar palette. I'm gonna use that as my brow bone highlight. I want to go with something matte since all the shades are matte, and I'm gonna be taking that burgundy shade with this fluffy flat brush, if that's what you can call it. I just love this brush. This is my holy grail brush. Since I love it. I love this brush for hooded eyes when you want to go straight onto the crease and you want to keep a color there. This is the best brush. Now I'll be going in with the first transition shade to go ahead and blend out that burgundy shade. I really want to keep this low, and I really want that transition shade to pop. So we're trying to do the gradient effect here. So I just use a smaller brush, and instead of going in with the burgundy, I went in with the transition. So I'm gonna be just blending, adding color, blending and adding color, and it's just for your liking. Now I'll be taking this brownie shade, is like a brownie red. I'm gonna be taking that under the burgundy shade, so it's straight on, a little bit lower than the crease. This color is so pigmented, so you need to go with a light hand. So yeah, this is the second time I work with this palette, so yeah, it's pretty hard, but I'm gonna get the hang of it. And then going back in with that same brush with whatever product it had left. Like I said, we want to go ahead and build up little by little and building and blending. So that's pretty much what I did. Now going in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, we're going to go ahead and do a cut crease. You already know my left eye is more hooded than my right eye, so I have more of a hard time with my left eye. My right eye is like the best for cut creases because it's more easier to work with, but you know, it's the same old jam. So we're going to go ahead and do a half cut crease. I am not going to set the concealer. You already know that I never set my concealer. So if you want the maximum payoff, do not set your concealer. I'm gonna be going in with the Alien palette. Oh my god, I just received this palette. I think it was during the week, I don't remember, but I barely have a few days with this palette. This is the first time I play around with it, so I'm gonna be taking that green shade. And also further in the video, I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, also using her green bluish shade. I think hers is more bluish than the Jeffree Star palette, so I just wanted something more popping. I felt like the green was too green. I don't know how to explain it, but I think it was a deep green. I don't know how to explain it, but I felt like the Jaclyn Hill made a little bit of difference. Now, if you have the Jaclyn Hill palette only, girl, you can do this eyeshadow look really easy. You know, you get either one, so you don't need both palettes to recreate, or 3 palettes to recreate this look. You can go ahead and take your Jaclyn Hill palette and you can recreate this look easily. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. Just go ahead and packing on the Jaclyn Hill shade, And I'm gonna be taking the burgundy shade and the brownie shade as my outer corner to deepen up my outer corner. Oh, never mind, I'm taking my James Charles palettes. I love this palette. I have not put it down since I got it. It is just amazing for me. I know there's a lot of iffy things about it, but I like it. I love it. I always use it. Okay, now we are going with the burgundy and brown shade as my outer corner, just to deepen up my outer corner. Going in with my AliExpress lashes in E11. You already know these are my total fave lashes, and I did my face off camera because my camera was semi-dying, so I will go ahead and leave everything in the description box below. So I'm gonna be taking my 2 green shades from James Charles and the Alien palette for my under eye, using my NYC 24-hour gel liner pencil thing as my waterline. If you have green water eyeliner, green eyeliner, then yeah, it will make the look more popping. But I only have black, so I use what I had. I used the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara for my under eye. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I'll go ahead and see y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.